Genius Yield presents How to create a Cardano-native wallet. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a Nami wallet so you can explore the exciting world of Cardano. No prior experience required. Let's dive right in. To download the Nami wallet extension, navigate to namiwallet.io. Click on the available browser of your choice. This will take you directly to the Nami wallet extension page. Click on Get to add Nami Wallet Chrome extension to your browser. Make sure you only download the official version. Now you have successfully installed Nami Wallet extension to your browser. You can click on the puzzle icon on the top right of your browser to access the Nami Wallet. After clicking the Nami Wallet, you will see two options: New Wallet or Import. Since you are a new user, you can click on New Wallet. Accept the terms of use and click the Continue button to go forward to the next step. After clicking Continue, you will see the seed phrase. Write it down in private. Do not store it on your PC or take a picture of it. You can only recover your account via seed phrase. There is no alternative to this. If you lose your seed phrase, you lose access to your wallet. After writing down your seed phrase in a secure place, you can check in I've stored seed phrase in secured place and click Next, then enter the seed phrase you've just stored. After that, you can create a new account for the Nami wallet by entering the account name, then create a password and confirm it. Click Create. Your Nami wallet has been successfully created. The Receive button allows you to receive ADA or Cardano-native assets to your wallet using your address. The Send button allows you to send assets from your wallet. Please note that you also have to set a 5 ADA collateral in order to interact with smart contracts. To do so, click on the top right icon. Click on Collateral and set it. You will be required to have at least 5 ADA in your wallet to do so. Now you're ready to explore Cardano's exciting possibilities. Happy wallet management, and stay tuned for more from Genius Yield.